how to create Facebook Notes. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on a device. You will land on its official home page. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. Your Facebook profile will open up. At the top of your profile photo, you will see the Notes feature. Single tap on it. From here, you can create a Facebook note. In the Share a Thought field, write what your note is about. You can also add emojis if you like. For example, I will write subscribe with a cool emoji. Additionally, you can also add music to your Facebook note. For that, tap on the music icon. You can either browse through the list of songs or search for your desired song. Let's use the search feature. Tap on the search bar, type in the song name and search for it. Then select the song. Now drag the box to the part of the song you want to include in your Facebook note. Once satisfied, tap done. Finally, tap the share button at the top and boom! You have successfully created a Facebook note. Now, it will be visible to your friends and followers and they can view what you have shared in your Facebook note. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.